Right, so we're now right now in the IGCSE paper of May-June 2013, paper 2, variant 1, and we're now in the part of question 7. The first question is to find the first four terms in the expansion of 2 plus x to the power of 6 in ascending powers of x. First, we can use the binomial theorem written in the mathematical formula page 2 of the paper. We use this formula right here, so we can apply this formula. So where we can see that the a, the 2 represents the a, the x represents the b, the 6 represents the n. So we can just apply this formula to write the first four terms. Okay, so we write a is 2, well, the n is 6, and we write accordingly. We just input. Remember that this means 6 combine 6, the combine of 6 combine 1. It doesn't mean a matrix, it just means 6 combine 1. So just continue. I'm gonna continue writing. Right. Da 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 da. And it goes on. Right. And if you calculate it later on, you will actually get 64 plus 192x plus 240x squared plus 10x cubed. Alright, and we get this answer right here. And now let's look at the second question. Hence, find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of 1 plus 2x times 1 minus x times 2 plus x to the power of 6. First, we expand this expression right here. We expand it. I'm gonna write it first. We expand it to become 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared. Alright, now we get this expression right here. And then we write, and you know that this equals this 1 plus 3x times 1 minus x equals 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared, and then we multiply with this. We just assume that this we assume, and then we use this expression to represent 2 plus x to the power of 6, and that's right. Write it here, and then I will write it here. Why is this still usable? Why is it usable? Because we only need until x cubed. We don't need the numbers for x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, and x to the power of 6, etc, etc. Okay, and actually it's just reach x to the power of 6. Yeah, basically that. So to get an x cube, we must multiply 1 with an x cube variable, and the coefficient is 160. So right here is 1 times 160, and then we get the coefficient here 2, and then we need a variable with an x squared to make x and x squared x cubed. This is x cubed, and then we get the coefficients 2 and 240. So we multiply them together, and then we find the variable with x to balance it to become x cubed. X squared times x is x cubed. So we find the coefficient -3 multiplied by 192 the coefficient of this one. And then if we calculate them all together and you calculate it, it becomes 64. This is the coefficient of x cubed. Okay, and we can check the mark scheme again. As always, for the first question, we get 1 mark, we get 3 marks for writing this answer correctly. If we get all the terms correct, we get 3 marks. If we get 3 terms correct, we get 2 marks. 2 terms, we get 1 mark. And less than 2 terms, we get no mark at all. And then, for the double I, we see this. Alright, let me adjust it a little bit. Okay. And then we multiply out this 1 plus 3x and multiply by 1 minus x. We get 1 mark for this one. We get 1 mark for writing this, having this one down. We get 1 mark for writing this down. This stuff right here, 1. This is 1 mark. We get 1 mark for having 64 down. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. Okay, see you on question 8.